What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? So basically I recently came back from the Great Train Show, which was on December the 15th, and I had a really good time there. And there were lots of model trains I got to see, and I got to see a bunch of layouts in action. This is probably one of the few times I went to the Great Train Show. It was this year. It was at the Overland Park Convention Center, so I got to go there and got a lot of cool stuff. I want to show you guys. I have some new rolling stock. I didn't get any new locomotives, but that's all right. So let's get on with let's see what I bought. All right. So the first car I have is a new boxcar. This is a Trinity 6275 boxcar in the TTX scheme. This is exact rail. This is actually my very first exact rail freight car I have, because as you know, exact rail has lots of really cool rolling stock. So I was really glad I picked up this. It's really nice. I've been wanting an exact rail rolling stock, and I picked up this TTX boxcar. I heard these cars are super popular to modern railroaders. You can find these almost like on every freight trains for like BNSF, UP, NS, CSX, KCS, and all so forth. So yeah. So here's my second freight car, is the Burlington Northern. It's an FMC 4700 hopper. It looks really nicely done, and I think this is factory weathered because it says, like right here, it says prime for grime, so it looks like it's factory weathered instead of custom weathered. And I love it has like this, how all these loading areas are white while this one's green. You can see the BN logo, and they even got the orange bay areas like these things. It's really cool. So looks really nice. This can be. They also have a BNSF version of it, which is in green, but except they don't have like the BN logo and all that stuff. It's just plain green with BNSF, and it looks factory weathered. So yeah. So moving on, this is my third freight car I have. This is a Canadian National cylindrical hopper in the demonstrator scheme. I think this is, let me see what this is. This is a 3800 cubic foot hopper. Let me see what little. This is meant to haul like potash. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right, but so. Because usually these things on top, I always think that these kind of hoppers do not haul grain, unlike this one, because they usually haul like other kinds of like bulk materials, and stuff. So I picked up this. It's a really nice freight car, even though I really like it, and I think, as of now, CN no longer has these on the rails. There's none of them in the rainbow scheme. So on one side is in rainbow while the other side is not. So only one side is in rainbow, which is kind of unfortunate, but alright. And this is my very first Rapido freight car. Along with this is my first exact rail, and this is my first Rapido. And all three of these cars I purchased from Spring Creek Model Trains. I went back to that booth again because they have so many trains you can choose from locomotives, freight cars, accessories, and everything. It's just, there's so many trains they have, from HO to N. They even have some O scale. It's really cool. So these three are I purchased from Spring Creek Model Trains. Really nice. Alright, moving on. We have the fourth car. This is... I picked this one at the Corryville station for only $28.99, which is a really good deal. This is a LLCX. This is an RTC 20K acid tank car. It's really cool. I really like these tank cars. I think Atherton does a good job with these, and I really love these tank cars so much. It's really nice, and then because I always like collecting tank cars, because I'm trying to expand my tank car fleet. Because I do have a lot of those scale trains crude oil tankers, which is pretty cool. And lastly, the fifth and last freight car I got is this Burlington Northern hopper, and I think this is a Pullman Standard 4427 CD covered hopper. Really nice car, and it can be perfect to add to the grain train, because I'm thinking about making a BNSF grain. So yeah, that's all the 5 freight cars I have. So after all, train show was lots of fun, and I'm so glad I purchased these 5 and had a good time. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.